shots downfield. They've essentially attempted no vertical throws.
They came in expecting to try to establish the run game. They thought they had a decided advantage at the line of scrimmage. Because of their size, because of the way they play, the tempo they play with, they clearly came in.
Does a nice job. Finds Thomas.
The National Weather Service in Louisville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Franklin County in central Kentucky, northwestern Scott County in central Kentucky, until 5:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:49 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Frankfort, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Frankfort, Stamping Ground, Bryant, Watkinsville, Mallard Point, Josephine, Moon Lake Estates, Switzer, Skinnersburg, and Biddle. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.
Spot. Athletic, and that's the culture that he's created here in Columbus.